Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript ES6 tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Handle a fulfilled promise with then. So promises are used for when you want to do something asynchronous, and that you will want to do something asynchronous when you have an unknown amount of time for your code, often with the server request. Since you're not sure how long it's going to take, you use this promise and then you do a then method, and it's executed after your promise is fulfilled with the resolve. So after the callback resolve happens, it will go to .then, and the argument here comes from the resolve method. So here we want to add the then method to your promise. Okay, so here's the promise. So after this, it gets resolved, we do .then, and then we take in result as a parameter. And then with the function, we log result. So return and there we go. That's it for this one. Thank you so much.